understanding that when medicine is medicine, sometimes we don't want it to taste good. And actually that can sometimes send a message that that's not great, because now a lot of companies are making products that are purely sugar-based gummies that can actually pose a harm if kids understand that things are too good, too sweet. So I'm always trying to figure out what's the balance with my patients that I work with, and having them really, I guess, kind of accept that things are sometimes going to taste a bit strong.
I generally put the stuff that most people are going to find less pleasant tasting, that goes into the person's tincture. Because with a tincture, at most, I'm giving somebody 5 mils at a time. That's a teaspoon. So that means what I have people do is put a mouthful of water in their mouth, or if they're really sensitive to taste, a mouthful of juice. Mary mentioned pomegranate juice. The other one that works really well here is grape juice. Those two juices hide more stuff than anything else.
We talk about seasonings a lot and how we can, and that's one of my favorite things. I started creating my own seasoning blends because everything had salt in it, and I really had to control salt, and I really encourage my clientele to control salt. It's hard. I live in New Orleans. Tony's and Slap Your Mama is like a heavy salt-based spice mixture that's in every Creole dish known to everybody. So I've started really teaching people how to create their own or buying the no salt version. But it's kind of fun when you create your own seasonings because you can tailor them or create them for your clients as well.